What is going on, my Atomic Auto Works friends? Today on Atomic Cycle Works, we're going to be showing you how to customize a stock Harley-Davidson Dyna into this. Stay tuned. One thing by having the foam glued to this pan is now we could snap our center line and we could sculpt it, and we don't have to worry about it moving around. We don't have to worry about it not being symmetrical or trimming one side out and then having the foam shift. So we got this nice and glued now. We could trim it up. Start off cutting the back of this one out. This one was actually, this seat's pretty low profile in the back. So I got the rough shape done here. I'm going to start grinding it now to actually get a closer shape. And then I did cut it down lower than we want to do because we're going to add a more comfortable foam. One thing Woody did say is he wants a comfortable ride. So we want to get rid of some of the factory foam. We'll put an upgraded foam in here, and then we can get to making a cool Crocodile cover. Okay, we got the rough shape here. Now we're going to go through, put our comfort foam on there, and then do our final sculpting of this. All right, so it looks like we are ready for our final foam. We put the comfort foam on here. We got our shape pretty close. See what it looks like. Seat is foamed up, and I patterned it. It's a fairly, I would say, a simple pattern because we already did it, so we knew what to do. This one here, we're using a different Croc, which is going to be kind of a wild-looking seat because our original material that we used, the supplier went out of business during Corona. We actually ordered this from, I think, 6 or 7 places, and out of all the ones that showed up, this is the one that looks the coolest. We sent a picture to Woody. He said he likes it. We're just going to transfer our patterns to that, cut it out, and start sewing it up. One thing I wanted to mention when using the exotics, the prints, always buy extra because if you're going to try to match up patterns, you'll use a lot of material. All right, so we just sewed the welting on, and it's pretty good. I think I'm going to do a top stitch here. I don't know if I should do tan or red. I think I'm going to do tan to bring it together. What's funny about these stitches, I remember one of the first vehicle interiors I had to do had welting and a top stitch on it. It was such a nightmare to do it that even to this day, whenever I do this, I stress out a little bit. The cover is all sewn up. We're going to test fit it, and then if it looks good, we will go install it. Looks like it's going to work pretty good, so let's go install it for good. You know what's nice about this fake Crocodile material is it actually conforms really nice as it rolls around. Our other stuff we were using, even though I really liked how it looked, every time you go around a corner you kind of want to wrinkle wherever there was a spot. Got to get this nice and warm because it's actually freezing today. We had to crank the heat back up in here. Woke up and it was like 20 degrees. All right, it's all done. Let's go clean it up and see how it really looks. One thing I forgot to mention about this material, which is really nice in comparison to the normal Crocodile that we were using, that was, like I explained earlier, how it kind of bends around when it goes. Normally you get a really bumpy top here, and a bumpy back. But this actually pulled really nice. It's a softer material. So if you want to learn more about the materials we use, what we do, please check out atomicautoworks.com, and on YouTube, make sure to like, share, subscribe, follow, ring the bell, all that stuff. We really appreciate your support. Thanks.